You know the importance of having power underfoot. That may include stopping power, which is why it's crucial to make sure your brakes are in proper working order. Make sure to have your brakes serviced regularly to help prevent unnecessary damage to the rotors, calipers, and other related systems. It is recommended that a trained professional inspect and, if necessary, service your braking system to ensure all components are working properly and as designed. GMC vehicles with disc brakes have a brake wear indicator in each caliper assembly. When enough of the friction material is worn away, the wear indicator will contact the disc and make a squealing sound. This means it's time for new brake pads. There are some other signs you can look out for too. While applying the brakes, if you hear a grinding or squealing sound, if the vehicle pulls to one side, or if the steering wheel shudders, it's time to visit our GMC certified service experts. We'll thoroughly inspect your entire braking system and, if necessary, replace worn-out components with quality parts such as AC Delco that are designed, tested, and backed by General Motors, helping to get you safely and confidently back on the road. Authentic expertise, only from GMC Certified Service.